Hey everybody, I am Raksha and in this video I'll be talking about Power BI version history. So let's get started. So currently on my screen you can see that I have this SharePoint open for Study Circle channel. So I'll also help you to see it in Teams. So this is a Study Circle and then I have General, and here as you can see I don't have any file right here, and also I have synced this Teams folder into my local PC. So you can see that I also have the Study Circle right here. Okay, so now as a first step what I'm going to do here is I will simply upload a fresh Power BI file. So I will open upload and I'll go to the desktop, and there I have one file which is called as Raksha-test1.pbix. I'll hit open and it is uploaded. Easy. Now let's see how does this actually look. So let me just go to desktop and open this up. So it will take few minutes initially. Okay, and it is here. So on my screen, as you can see, we have only one text visual in this particular file, which is this. And the text says version history test in red. So this file we have uploaded. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I will change this red color to, let's say, some different color, and let's say blue color. Okay, now I will hit save as, and I'll make sure that the naming convention of this file retains as the same of the old file. So let it be raksha-test1.pbix and I will save it in my downloads. No, we already have this file here. Let's save it here in the documents. Okay, so I'll save this file here. I'll hit save. Now what I'm going to do next is I will go back to my Teams channel right here, and then I will choose to check out this file. How do we do this? I'll click on more and I'll see this option checkout. So the file has successfully checked out. Now I will upload a new file with the same naming convention. So this is the new file from which we have changed the font from red to blue. So for that, what I'm going to do is upload files. I'll go to docs, documents. I have Raksha test 1. I'll hit open. It will say that do you want to replace the file? See. So now I'll say yes, replace it. So it is replaced. Now in place of old file, we have the new file. And here I will choose to check-in. The check-in feature here helps us to add about comment about the change that we have just made. So here what we have done is we have changed the red font to blue by Raksha, although it has this modified by, but still I'm just doing it for the demo, and I'll hit check-in. Okay, so the first version that we have for the file is the file that we have uploaded. Okay, so let me just go to the SharePoint. The file has been checked in successfully. Let me just refresh it here, and you can see this ellipsis. Just click on it. You shall see we have the version history option right here. So in the version history, I'll before I open this up, I'll say that the first version is the file that we have uploaded, and the second version would be the one which has the comment that we have added. So let's see exactly. So there is no comment next to the first file, but we have comment for the second version. Okay, now here I want to bring to your notice that suppose there is some second developer who is trying to work on the same file. Okay, he has this folder same synced in his local PC. What he do is he try to open this file from here itself, from the synced location, and then he choose to make some changes and hit on save. So every hit on save will create a new version. Okay, it will be recorded as a new fresh version. So it is recommended that you always download the old file and then do the changes and then choose to check in properly. With check-in, as you can see, we have the comment adding functionality. So if that is not done, you may lose the update of what the change has been about. So this is one. The second thing which I wanted to share here is, in the drive, if you see, you have the option to restore the old version. So currently on my screen, we have first and the second version. Now I want to say, let's say I want to restore the first version. So it will be created as a fresh new version on the top of the list. This is the third version. Now, here what will happen is you don't see any comment here. Okay. And you also don't know which version has been restored. Let's say we have got some 10 files in here, 10 versions in here, and I want to restore some, let's say, fifth file, but I will not be able to track it that what version has been restored. So this is again a limitation right here. So the key conclusion of the complete demo is you always maintain the version history only by following up the proper check-in and check-out procedure. Then only you will be able to track it using comments. So I hope that you understood what the whole process is all about and you really enjoyed this video. And I hope to catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.